Well, hello, my name is Andy Tidy and welcome back to another edition of Canal Hunter. This is one of the Photostream Canal Hunter episodes, an episode where we try to recreate one of the lost canals using an interlinked series of archive photos. Now, for this Photostream, I am attempting a route which I've never tried to recreate before. And there's a reason for that. The photographic record of this line is very, very patchy, but I think I've now got just about enough photos to put this one together. I know it's incomplete, I'm sure you'll supply me with some more, so the next iteration will probably be more complete. Truth be told, it's hard even to know what to call this lost section. I mean, it's over 4 miles long. I suppose the best way I can describe it is it's the original Brindley 1770 canal which linked Tipton through to Wolverhampton. But it's the line that the canal used to take before they built the Coseley tunnel. If you want to put it into canal junction speak, it ran from what was Bloomfield junction through to here at Deepfields. But the lost section is the bit from Bloomfield junction through to Braidley. The working title I applied to it is the Wednesbury Old Loop. But truth be told, that really is the section which marks a boundary of another subsidiary loop around Weddell Wynd. So let's just call it the Old Mainline, Bloomfield to Braidley. You'll no doubt remember from previous episodes that Brindley was a contour canal specialist. He didn't like locks, he didn't like tunnels, he liked to go around on the level. And so the route that I want to recreate was the route that was the main line through from Tipton to Wolverhampton until 1837 when the Coseley tunnel was dug. Maybe 1/3 of the canal from Bloomfield through to here at Deepfields remains navigable. That's as far as the Braidley Canal workshops and crucially the site of the main water source, the pumping engine at Braidley. And of the other 2/3, about 2/3 again can be followed on the ground. And a third near Prince's End was demolished in the 1960s to make way for the Moat Farm estate. Now this venerable old section of canal was lost. Once the coal works were played out, the ironworks were gone cold, there was no further use for it. So in 1955 the section from Bloomfield Junction through to the top of the Braidley Locks was taken out of service, drained away and filled in. There was a short reprieve whilst the Braidley Locks branch stayed in operation and with it the Rotten Brunt shortening, but even that was finally closed down in 1961, the year of my birth. Now today the route a boat would take from here at Deepfields through the Coseley tunnel and onto Bloomfield Junction is just 1¼ miles. But back in the day, before the tunnel was dug, a boater coming from Wolverhampton would have to turn around the corner here and then negotiate 5 3/4 tortuous miles around the hill of Summerhill. Anyway, the photo stream from Bloomfield through to Braidley is no doubt incomplete, but I will show you where it stands at the moment. The section I want to show you is about 4½ miles long, Bloomfield to Braidley. And the photo stream runs for something in excess of 10 minutes. So I suggest this is the time to grab that mug of tea, sit down and watch an old historical canal come back to life. But bear in mind, the last time that a boat navigated this route was in the decade after World War II. So, hope you enjoy it. Well, that's it for the Bloomfield to Braidley Photostream, or the Wednesbury Oak Loop, whichever you like to call it. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you've got access to any photos which make this record more complete, please let me have them. I'll add them to the database and we will have a more complete photo stream next time we run it. But for now, happy hunting, and I will see you soon. Cheerio.